Do you ever notice how some of the copywriters get great open rates but struggling with click-through rates? Because most of the readers write past option the CTA without even clicking it. So here a simple hack: add a PS right after your CTA. It's that extra push that gets people to take action. So I use 3 simple frameworks to write an effective PS. So here they are. So first of all, create urgency. People hate missing out. So when you create urgency, you give them a reason to act now. This is an example of this PS framework. Only 5 spots left. Grab now before they are gone. See, it taps into the fear of missing out and makes the reader to act now. So these are some of the examples of this PS framework according to different niches. So second framework is repeat your offer in your PS. Sometimes people need to hear it again. So reinforce your offer to remind them why it's worth their time. So example is, remember, you are just one click away from XYZ reason, so don't miss out. It's a simple repeating the promise of value to encourage them. So these are the some of the example of this PS framework according to different niches. So the third framework is add a bonus in your PS. Everyone loves the extra benefit. So sweeten your deal by providing him a value that they can't resist. So example is, sign up today and I will give you a bonus guide for free. Adding value like these makes the decision to click even easier. So these are some of the example of this PS framework according to different niches. So use these 3 PS frameworks in your email copy. So with good open rates, you also get a good click-through rates. That's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Till the time, peace.